Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are group 2. We are going to present our article analysis. Our group members are me, Rahmanur Asi, and my friends is Nova Tania and Hesti Wijayanti. Next. So the table of content of our article, there are 5 content. First, identity. Second, abstract. Third, research objective. Fourth, summary. And fifth is conclusion. First, we are going to tell you about identity of article. For the article title is Mathematics Educators' Perspectives on Cultural Relevance of Basic Level Mathematics in Nepal. For the authors are Det Raj Acharya, Mukunda Prakash Khetre, Vishnu Khanal, Ram Krishna Tanti, and Shashidhar Delbase. For publication year is 2021. The title of scientific journal is Journal on Mathematics Education or GME, and volume 12, number 1, and pages from 17 until 48. The second is the abstract of article. So, the design of this study involves an interpretive qualitative approach by administering in-depth interviews with 5 purposefully selected mathematics educators teaching at 5 higher education institutions in the Kathmandu Valley. Each interview was audio recorded and transcribed for coding and constructing themes. The major themes that emerged were teaching in a mother language, contextualized ethnomathematics, and the local knowledge in the curriculum as a teaching approach. The findings of the study can be helpful to curriculum designers and teachers at the basic level of mathematics. The study also adds to the literatures of cultural aspects of mathematics teaching and learning and curriculum design. The third is research objectives of the article. The research objectives is the main purpose of this paper was to explore mathematics educators' perceptions of the cultural. The next is summary will be explained by my friend Hesti.
Okay, next is summary. First is introduction of this article. The origin and development of mathematics have been traced to different cultures. For example, Harappa, Egyptian, African, Minoan, Mycenaean, Greek, Roman, Arabic, Indian, Chinese, Aztec, Mayan, Incas, Native Americans, and Eskimos from Scriba and Scriber 2015. Therefore, historically, mathematics and its teaching learning process have been a part of cultural reproduction and advancement of knowledge for generation. Ethnomathematics examines how different cultural groups use mathematics to solve day-to-day problems. This view reiterates that teaching and learning mathematics in school should be culturally relevant to the students. From Aronson and Laughter 2016 on D'Ambrosio 1985, so that it helps in reducing the achievement gap. George et al. 2017. Few studies have investigated the cultural aspect of school mathematics in Nepal. For example, Pradhan 2017 studied the relation of Chunara culture, an occupational culture to produce wooden artifacts, and mathematics by outlining what types of mathematical concepts are used in Chunara cultural artifacts and how they can be connected to classroom mathematics. Likewise, Sharma and Ore 2017 discuss mathematics concept in making drums and how the connection between mathematics and artifact can support culturally relevant pedagogy in Nepal. In another study, Weigel et al. 2008 outlined some mathematics concept of middle school mathematics in children's play, daily farming duties, and basket weaving practices by Gopali and Tamang people in Nepal. These studies have been artifact-based and based on local context without focusing on the school mathematics curriculum in Nepal and the perspective of teacher and mathematics educator. Next is culturally relevant teaching is based on the National Council of Teachers of Mathematics NCTM standard from Gustein et al. 1997. You can see from the diagram in the slide, the explanation is first, students should internalize mathematical knowledge in a critical manner. That is, they should develop as a critical thinker in the mathematical context so that they can make conjectures and arguments. Students should investigate mathematical ideas and justify their solution to problems and be able to validate their thinking and reasoning. Thus, teachers should encourage students to develop multiple perspectives while reasoning through mathematics. Also important to develop student questioning skills to raise their voices and concern while constructing mathematical knowledge. And the second aspect of this model involves a perspective of children's knowledge. That is, the teachers should use children's prior knowledge and day-to-day experiences in classroom activities. And the third main component of this model depicts two orientation. There are the local culture and experience with a deficit model and knowledge for an empowerment. In this model, the mathematics teacher should be familiar with students and their home cultures. Next is the method of this article. Study site and selection of participants. Kathmandu Valley was selected as the study site. This valley is the center of social, cultural, political, and business activities in Nepal. And then the second is in-depth interviews. The interviews focus on questions related to one main question. To what extent does basic mathematics education emphasize critical thinking with multiple perspectives and children's prior knowledge of mathematics from their homes and communities that they bring to the classrooms? The interviews also emphasize the link of mathematics curriculum and pedagogy to the students' funds of cultural knowledge, diversity, and sense of empowerment. And the third is participants of the study. The 5 participants of the study were Saurya, Rabindra, Esu, Maheswar, and Chaitan, or pseudonyms. And then the data analysis. After the interviews, the recorded data were transcribed and translated from Nepal to English. The translated transcript we read and reread several times to make sense of the ideas and concepts that emerged and were related to the main research question. Several themes were generated from the data, and researchers discussed 3 major themes in the next section. A follow-up interview was conducted with each participant and focused on the 3 themes while considering the theoretical domains from the framework, critical thinking, and children's knowledge deficit and empowerment. And then the following themes of cultural relevance of elementary level mathematics in Nepal. There are 3 themes. First is teaching in the native language. Second is contextualized ethnomathematics, and the third is local knowledge for teaching. First is teaching in the native language. From the result of the analysis conducted by researchers based on the interviews, information was obtained that teaching learning mathematics activities must be conducted in the children's mother tongue. This approach helped them understand the mathematical concept without having to learn the structures of their second language. Young students learn the content of their ethnicities, cultures, and identities through the medium of their parents' dialect, which is in their mother tongue. And then the second is contextualized ethnomathematics will be explained by my friends Nova.
Thank you, Hesti, for the time. I will continue the explanation. This is the second time is contextualist ethnomathematics. Mathematics teacher might teach math concept using the perspective of ethnomathematics, in which the cultural diversity of pupil is respected and their everyday mathematical practice in and out of school are considered relevant. According to Francois in 27. Next. From the research experience and the finding in the literature, we conclude that the ethnomatic enables students to question themselves and reflect on their journey to becoming more aware, more critical, more appreciative, and more self-confident in mathematics and its use in the problem solving. Thus, the practice of ethnomathematics in mainstream pedagogies empower teacher and student to change their vision of mathematical knowledge and teaching with diversity, belief, and transformation of knowledge and skill. According to Al-Hanachi, the major and severance in 2021. And then the third theme is local knowledge for teaching. From the result of interview, the respondents said that to make the class enjoyable, the subject matter can be related to local knowledge and activities. Students understand better if they can link to their experience. Teachers need to teach children by showing different types of cultural heritage and artifacts connecting with different types of mathematical concepts. Then mathematical teaching learning can be meaningful and contextual. It is needed difficult to finish the content if we try to relate it to day-to-day life situation. However, without doing this, the majority of students cannot understand the concept we are teaching. So the local knowledge for teaching in terms of using local research might support in engaging students in meaningful tasks and activities, making lesson interesting and cognitively graspable by students. According to Madraso NGO in 2020, and increasing student self-esteem through the contextual learning teaching learning of mathematics, according to Nabila and Janti 2020. And then the last about the conclusion of this research. This study explored 5 mathematics educator perception about cultural relevance of basic level mathematics in Nepal. The 3 central themes relate to instruction in native language, contextualization of mathematics with the notion of ethnomathematics, and integration of local language as means of induction pressing need of culturally relevant mathematics at the basic level curriculum and pedagogy. The notion of native language for induction demand strengthening basic education in children's mother tongue, which is also a national priority in Nepal to provide basic education in a local language. This provision might reduce the hindrance in mathematics learning due to compulsion to learn it in the second language. There is a growing concern about the teaching mathematics by contextualizing it in the local community practice. Therefore, the participant views about the contextualization of mathematics education for empowering and promoting cultural capital through mathematics teaching and learning signifies the need for teacher motivation, integration of mathematics concept with the cultural ritual, and developing basic level mathematics as a service subject rather than a pure discipline of logic and reasoning with contextless numbers, shapes, and variables. The notion of local culture knowledge for teaching implies teaching basic level mathematics with example, using cultural artifact and transforming the curriculum and teacher practice. So this is the end of our presentation. Hopefully this video can use useful for us. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.